Okay, let's look through problems 10 through 12 on this screen. Okay, we're graphing an equation of a line given the equation. Okay, number 10 is y equals 3x plus 2. Okay, first thing I would do is look at the number at the very end, that positive 2. Know that that's the y-intercept. Okay, the second thing I would do is look at the number in front of the x, because the number in front of the x is the slope of the line. Okay, the slope of the line is a positive 3, which means the line's going up. Okay, the slope is 3, but I want to write it as a fraction. To change 3 to a fraction, just divide 3 by 1. Okay, my y-intercept is 2. My slope is 3 over 1 as a fraction. And if my slope is a positive 3, it's going up. Or think of it as positive 3 for the rise means up. Positive 1 for the run means over to the right. Okay, so the setup's done. Just find 2 on the y-axis. The y-axis. Drop the point there. And then take another point. And from that 2 on the y-axis, travel up 3 spaces over 1. Drop another point. I could do another if I really wanted to. From that green point, go up 3 spaces again over 1. I could do the pattern backwards and start with this blue point and go down 3, left 1, if I really wanted to. Okay, I could do more and more. Okay, draw the line, or bring the line to cross the points as best you can. And again, don't stress about this part, just do the best you can. Don't worry about it. Okay, there's problem 10. Y equals 3x plus 2. Okay, do problem 11 before you check it. Okay, problem 11. Look at the line, the number at the end of the equation, y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. The number at the end is a positive 4. Okay, the slope is a negative 1 over 2. And that negative 1 over 2 is telling me to go down 1 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to grab a point, find 4 on the y-axis, drop it right there. Take a second point, and from that 4 on the y-axis, I'm going to travel down 1 space over 2. All I have to have is 2 points, but I could do another for fun. From that green point, go down 1 again over 2. I have room to do it a couple more times if I really wanted to. Okay, all we need to do is draw the line through the points, drag it around as best you can. I'm not looking for perfection. I just want you to get the idea. If we had this on paper pencil, this would be really easy. Okay, that's pretty close to going through the points. Okay, started at 4, and then I went down 1 over 2. Okay, I should say started at 4 on the y-axis, and then I traveled down 1 over 2. Okay, try the next one before you use the video to check. Okay, graph y equals negative 3x minus 2. Okay, the number at the end, including that subtraction symbol, is the y-intercept. So my y-intercept is a negative 2. My slope, which is a negative slope in front of the x, negative 3. Okay, as a fraction, I'm going to write it as negative 3 over 1. Okay, since that slope is a negative number, it's going down 3 over 1. Or because the rise is negative. The negative rise means down, and a positive run means right. Okay, so I'm going to go down 3 over 1. Okay, now the graphing part. Start at negative 2 on the y-axis. A negative 2 on the y-axis. From negative 2 on the y-axis, I'm going to travel from there down 3 over 1. So take another point from negative 2 on the y-axis, down 3 spaces over 1. Click. There's my 2 points. Try to get a line through the points as best you can. Okay, close enough. Okay, starts at -2, and then from -2 on the y-axis, -2 on the y-axis, you go down 3 over 1. Guys, try the next 2 problems. There's tricks to them, okay? Really think about, before you check with the video, there is no number in front of x on problem 13. But there is really a number there. It's understood to be there. And on number 14, there's no number at the end. Okay, think about what can you add to something without changing its value. Okay, try those 2 problems and then check them with the video.